Hi friends, now I would like to explain about C tokens. That means the tokens in C programming language that are known as simply C tokens. So what do you mean by the C tokens? We know that C is a high level language, but it is generally we can call C is the middle level language. Why? Because by using the C language, middle level language, by using the C language, we can write the programs which are able to directly interact with the hardware or computer hardware such as operating system, compilers, and interpreters, etc. So by using the C language, we can develop such an applications or simply programs or software or within short notation we can call apps. And by using the same C language, we can write the user needed programs such as uh, printing of prime numbers or calculating employee salary and other user needed applications. So the C can support to write both user applications as well as the low level applications which can directly interact with the hardware. So we can call the C is the middle level language. So we can remember this first point. The next point is we know that when you write any program or script or application within a C language, right, that is not directly executed on the hardware. So this program first given to the compiler, that is C compiler. This C compiler convert the high level language into the machine level, that means object program, that is within the with the zeros and ones, and actually this program is executed on a processor, that means on the computer hardware. So the compiler which converts a high level C program into the machine level or hardware understandable format. So now I define the token. What is the token is? The token is a very small part of a C program which has a meaning by the compiler, right? Or which has identified by the compiler. For example, I write hash include like that. This hash include has a specific meaning to the C compiler. Let us consider this is a C compiler, right? The C compiler can understand this one and able to convert into the object code or the machine code to be executed on the processor. Suppose instead of hash include, I keep suppose write some wrong hash. I'm going to write like that hash without include. I am going to write suppose I write I N C D-E. That means I forget L and U. Actually, right? Actually, now The C compiler cannot recognize this one. This is not accepted by the C compiler, and the C compiler will generate an error. That means this one not this type of a token. That means this piece was not identified by the compiler. So this is the token actually. The meaning of the token. That means the token is the small building block of a C program. So there are several types of C tokens. C tokens. The, we can categorize the C tokens. The first one as keywords, right? The second one as identifiers. The third one as variables and constants, variables and variables and constants. The fourth one is data types. The fifth one is operators. So these five categories are the most basic building blocks are very useful in developing the C programs. So to reduce the length of the video, I just finish here and I will make the videos on each and every concept about C keywords, identifiers, variables and constants, data types and operators separately. Okay friends, I hope all you can understand about the C tokens indeed. Okay, thank you.